Guess what? I am gonna do the douchebag challenge. The douchebag challenge. Okay, so hold on. Can you see me okay? See that pile of snow? My mom said not to do this, but I'm going to because I'm the boss. Alright, so I'm wearing a t-shirt out in this really nice weather, and you see that pile of snow? Ready?
What the heck are you doing? Dude. Are you serious? Oh my god, you. I don't care if you
Okay, so that was the douchebag challenge, and that I made up, and because I'm a douche, so bye.